Sunrise Hospital and Hospital, what are the solutions or solutions you have deployed at the hospital, and how has helped the hospital to grow?
Earlier we was not having software at our hospitals. Now we are having software that will start from your reception to go to your discharge summary of the patient. So this is one thing which we have implemented. And second, we are having a software in which we are having 4 setups. One is Sunrise Hospital, second is Arif Hospital, third is Sunrise Lifecare Private Limited, and fourth is Privat IVF Clinics. So if anybody is going to first time at any of our center, we will issue a UHID number to the patient, and patient can go to any of our centers. His or her records, medical records will come on our websites, on that software.
So do you also give training to the staff once the solutions are deployed at the hospital level? So are there any rigorous training that you also do with the staff?
We conduct regular training. When anybody joins to our hospital, we give 15 days training to the employees, in which if person is on reception, then we give there is a model, reception model is there, your lab model is there. So we give training 4-5 days training for IT, and your 5-6 days training for your attitude and how you have to handle a patient.
What is the present focus of both the hospital, the Arihant and
Sunrise Hospital? Our main focus is to give affordable treatment to the Indian people. And as I told you that we are coming with the IVF JV. We have already opened 2 setups. One is Sunrise Lifecare IVF Center. Second is Privat IVF Center. Our focus is to open 100 IVF centers. So we are also planning for franchisee also. If somebody want a franchise, can contact us.
So how do you see IT and healthcare going hand in hand in today's scenario where the government also talks about digital India? We are also seeing that IT is moving, IT is penetrating in almost all the sectors now. So how do you see IT and healthcare going hand in hand?
Definitely IT has a main role because like in other countries, like if I talk about US or some Canada, they don't carry their prescription, their details. Like they issue a UHID number, as I told you that we have implemented it. So what can we do is, as of my idea is, all of hospitals, private hospital, government hospital, there should be a UHID ID like Aadhaar card. So a person is any hospital, like at present we are having this at our hospitals. So I think that it can be implemented at every hospital. Like if one person going to Artemis and they show a UHID number, so it means it should be the same at our hospital also. He told us this is my UHID ID, so we can just see what he has taken treatment from last 2 years, 3 years, 10 years, something like that. So that I think that it can be then it will be great for doctors and the patient also. If I am if somebody is getting treatment through insurance company, like Raksha TP is getting treatment for Raksha TP, and doctor is getting like MRI of the patient, then what hospital will do? Hospital will send original this film to Raksha TP, and then patient is going to some second hospital, and they will say next MRI. So find what is the use of it, MRI within 2 months or 3 months. So like it should be uploaded on system. If person is going to Artemis, any other hospital like Medicity at any hospital, the doctor can see that this is the last MRI, so what they will not ask for the next MRI. So there is a money involvement, whether it is insurance money or our patient money, cash patient money. So finally, what is the use of to get again and again MRI or any test? Something like that. So if we are having data, then it will be.
But still, we see that there is lack of adoption of IT in the industry. What is the reason?
Because doctors are, IT people are some different because they are the verticals. Na? IT vertical is different and doctor vertical because doctor doesn't understand that what is the exactly use of IT actually. They know they can see the patient, or if it is possible then the government should add a one syllabus in their medical that IT book something IT subject in their syllabus, so it can then they can understand. Like if I'm telling myself, I've done my MBA and all these things, then but I was not aware that how much is strong is IT and social media. But then I do a digital marketing course. Then I understand what really this is very useful for hospitals.
But nowadays, the doctors who are coming up, and maybe the interns or the new doctors who are young at age and who are young, everybody knows now about the technology, what are the benefits of the technology. Still, we see that there is lack of awareness, lack of adoption. What is the reason behind
That I'm telling you, madam, because they don't know the detail and details of the IT exactly. They just know that this IT is useful, but they don't know exactly things of it. So that's my reason.
So, how IT services have been helping in the supply chain management for healthcare sector?
IT like in health chain.
Yes, in the healthcare, in the supply chain management of the healthcare sector.
IT, because as I told you that if one person is having a UHID number, then he going to some other setups, then it can be used for that.
And how do you see the Indian healthcare industry performing in terms of growth?
Growth, they are growing, but as I think that government should take initiative in health insurance sectors. So if government issue a health insurance policy to the persons, and they can say that if you are submitting their your health checkup report, and like somebody was discussing, we were discussing here, and if you are reducing your weight, if you are making fit yourself, then insurance can say that 5%, 10% will be your discount and premium, something like that. So this idea can be helped.
How medical technology is removing the existing paradigms in healthcare sector? How medical technology is removing the existing paradigm in the healthcare sector? Can technology not be leveraged to make healthcare more affordable?
Yes, technology. If we are, health insurance policy is very helpful. Even what can we do is, like when a hospital is giving treatment to somebody and he is making a bill of 1 lakh rupees. Okay, and what nowadays doing, they are giving money to some referral patients. Okay, so this money can be given to the patient itself, and they can renew their policy. So patient will not be affected and insurance will be increased, something like that.
So according to you, what more needs to be done to improve the healthcare industry?
To improve healthcare industry, as I feel, we like private hospital, government hospital, all should work in the form of unity. Like if we are going to government hospitals, there is a queue of patients. Why queue of the patient? Because they are getting free treatment. But they are getting free treatment, but government is paying to that hospital also. No? So why not government adopt these private hospital, small hospital, and then they say that okay, we will pay salary of your doctor, something like that. It can be also. No? So they can pay, and hospital be same, somebody is same. Again, and maybe private hospital and government hospital. So patient will be then distributed. Like in private hospital, they have the 100 OPDs in a day, and when this is a civil hospital, there is 1,000 OPDs in a day. So government should support to private hospitals also, and if they can have some rate list like in US. And Canada, if patient like in Canada, if patient is admitted, then government will pay. Patient does not pay. But here, your middle family, a person doesn't have insurance policy and going to private hospitals and he has to pay. Those are different. So
How does these kind of summits or forums like healthcare, how does it help you to expand yourself or to expand your religion? How did you find that summit?
This is a good forum definitely, because now we are exchanging our ideas to each other. Like today we meet some my friends also, some seniors, some junior persons also, and just take their ideas and how they are growing themselves in hospital, how they are growing and how they are promoting what new things they have done in their hospitals. So we take ideas and we give ideas, so it helps all of us.